Hello, everybody. Today I talk about Siemens SiVArc. SiVArc means SIMATIC Visualization Architect. It's a package for the TIA port. If you use SiVArc, you could create the screen for multiple HMI device and PLC from program block and generation template. You can download from Siemens website. Yeah, here all is here. Okay, if you use this TIA port version 17, version 18, version 19, you just install different version is SiVArc. Okay, I download already. Let's start install. Yeah, it's done. So we can start TIA port. SiVArc. Okay, we go to HMI, we go to basic, we choose one. Next, okay, let me just finish. Here, look, here's the SiVArc. Only here, you can do anything. You take ruler, screen ruler, you can use ruler to create SiVArc. Okay, that's it. Later we talk about how to use SiVArc. Okay, thank you very much.